Oil has been used for over 6,000 years and currently makes up 40% of our global energy consumption. Over the past 150 years, oil companies have drilled more than 2 million wells around the world. Locating oil and natural gas is what is called the upstream part of the process. Oil companies have developed a range of technologies to help them locate reservoirs deep beneath the Earth's surface. But the search remains a complex business. Success is never certain. The most powerful tool available in the upstream process is the acoustic survey. Geophysicists use air guns to fire acoustic pulses down through the rock. The sound waves bounce back like echoes, revealing different layers and depths. This data gives experts the information they need to map reservoirs and identify whether they're filled with oil, gas, or merely water. Anyone who has seen a 3D film can imagine what the next stage in the exploration process is like. In a special room called a highly immersive visual environment, or HIVE, geologists, geophysicists, computer scientists, and drilling engineers come together to observe the seismic data in 4 dimensions. On a large curved screen, 3 projectors display sophisticated renderings of the reservoir's oil and gas deposits, the surrounding rock structures, and the earth or sea above it. These projections help to more accurately plan the next step, drilling into the soil and rock to find out for certain whether oil and gas is actually there. When all the risks have been assessed, environmental studies have been carried out, and the data has been compiled into workable maps of the exploration site, it's time to send in the drilling crew. During this stage, before any drilling begins on land, access roads and a temporary power station must be built, along with a drinkable water source for workers. In a fragile habitat, or very remote places, helicopters or barges may be the only way to bring in equipment and supplies. After establishing that there are large quantities of oil at a drilling location, the site is then classified as a field, and the next step is to plan and build a production facility. In its raw form, crude oil is practically useless. Before it has any real value, it must be processed. This is the downstream part of the process, and the products that result from it touch almost every aspect of our life. Automotive fuels, liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, kerosene, heavy fuel oils, bitumen, and waxes. Oil has played an important role in the development of human civilization over the last 150 years. As we move towards a greener, less fossil fuel reliant world, it will be interesting to see how the industry adapts.